All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, super long time. Like what? How many? Like 2 weeks?
Without me.
It's probably been like 3 weeks, maybe, since we uploaded our last video. But anyways,
Listen, let me tell you something, okay? For the last 4 videos, right? I have been telling you guys that this guy has a bike, S1000RR, right? That you guys have not seen. Now we are finally gonna make a video with this man's bike. So with that being said, start up the video. wait. So with that being said,
yeah.
Are you still taking?
you see that I'm filming, right? Do you want to be in the YouTube video? Let's start up the video. Ben's gonna tell you exactly what we're gonna be doing. He's currently off the property. All right, for real, let's get it.
All right, now that we got those last out of the way, guys, I want to show you something. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's raining. So if you're an OG to the channel, right? When we first started making YouTube videos, I said something in one of the videos, and it happens every time I try to shoot a video.
You won't go back and find it though.
Yeah, y'all won't go back and find it.
No, you won't go back and find it.
I'm not gonna go back and find it. That was, I don't know how many videos ago, but if you're an OG to the channel, you know it. You know what I'm talking about. But anyways, so we're gonna hop into today's video. It's pretty much just gonna be installing more mods for the S1K. It's gonna be part 1 of 2 because there's more goodies over there in that box. So pretty much the mods that we're gonna be installing today are gonna be the, I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's Puig. Somebody figured it out for me. Puig. What Jamal said.
Puig.
Yeah, so.
Puig, Dragon Ball. Put a G at it.
Yeah, I mean, Google Translate or whatever. So that, we're gonna be installing this, and we're also gonna be installing the Evo Tech Performance front axle sliders. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting some protection on the bike, just in case, you know, we happen to drop it or anything like that.
All right, what do you want to say?
Pronouncenames.com.
Puig. Man, I still don't agree with that. Whatever. It's Puig, man, Puig.
All right, well now we know how to pronounce it, but this is the Puig racing screen. I got it from Revzilla.com, pretty much where I order all my parts from for my bike.
Shout out Revzilla.
Shout out Revzilla. So this is the Puig Racing windscreen for the BMW 2020 S1000RR. I got it in a smoke. Thanks, life. All right, guys, we had to switch locations. The rain wasn't allowing us to record properly, so.
Do nothing, man. We can't do nothing.
Yeah, we can't do nothing. We had to close the garage door and everything. So anyways, back to what I was saying. Puig, the reason for me getting this windscreen was because 1, it smoked, and not that I don't like the clear ones, but this one just has a more aggressive style, like more an aggressive like style, like look to it than the factory one does. Also, another big reason for me getting this windscreen as opposed to others is that Puig does a lot of testing, a lot of wind tunnel testing. And this windscreen right here did a phenomenal job as opposed to the factory one. And all of their testing, all the information on this windscreen and every windscreen that they've made is on their YouTube channel. I can't tell you the YouTube channel right now, but I'll link it in the description below. And they literally breaks down what the windscreen does, how it works, as opposed to the factory one that comes on whatever bike that you're purchasing. So that's the reason why I got this. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the factory one. We're gonna put it side by side just so you guys can see the difference between the factory one, design-wise, between the factory one and the aftermarket one from Puig here. And then we're gonna throw it on, so yeah.
Man, let's hurry this up. They're not paying us for this.
Alright guys, so we took the factory windscreen off and we have the Puig windscreen right next to it. I don't know how much you guys can tell based on camera the difference between them.
Let me tell you something. Is it Puig, or Puig? This is the third one that you said this time.
I don't know. I don't care. I can't remember. They'll remember. Who knows? But it's here.
Comment down below what y'all think.
Comment down below what y'all think.
All right.
But like I was saying, I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera, but there is a very big difference in design-wise between the two here. I'll flip them around because Jamal's on that side. All y'all are seeing are the back of it. My cameraman's failing me today.
I would stand out there so you have more lighting, but I'm not trying to get pissed on, so.
It never fails.
Yep,
Anyways,
never.
if you just look at the line designs, and this one, like here, on the side here, on this side here, this one actually feels thicker. Like this windscreen actually feels thicker than the factory one, which I don't know if that makes a big difference, but and then you have this one, and it still has like those lines and curves, but they're not as like dramatic as the other one.
Aggressive?
Yeah, that's dramatically aggressive. But we're gonna find out. I don't know if I had to take these out or not. I think I do.
I would
Man,
recommend it.
Cut the tape. I gotta figure this out. All right guys, so we got the new windscreen on. The windscreen that shall not be named because we can't figure out the name. But if anybody knows the name, comment in the comment section below.
We'll cash out you $5 if you can present us the name properly and pronounce it properly.
And we put the proper pronunciation of the word in the video, so, but I just forgot. Anyways, so now that the windscreen is on, we're gonna hop to the Evo Tech Performance front axle sliders. That's a mouthful. Anyways,
Evo Tech,
yeah, shout out Evo Tech. Please sponsor me.
keeping us safe out here.
Right. So, like I said, now we're gonna hop to the front axle slider. It's very important that you notice the difference in these parts. When I say that is, if you look at this one's thicker because on this side of the bike, there isn't like a ring as opposed to the other side. And I'll show you the other side, but this one goes, because it's thicker, it fits right there. And then on this side, like I was saying, there's a ring that sits right in here. Excuse my terminology, I don't really know what it's called, but that's where this one comes into play because it's not as thick and it goes right there. So now we're gonna hop into the cinematic of us installing this. I hope you're ready.
Oh. Let me tell y'all something. I hope you guys enjoy these videos because what we did was very, very simple. It didn't take long, but we've been in here for 2 hours filming it for you guys. Tell me I'm lying.
He's not.
I'm not.
He's not.
My take on it looks nice. You can notice the differences between the OEM and the aftermarket. Obviously in tint and shade. But in actual structure and rigidity, you can notice it. It is pretty noticeable. It's not ridiculously noticeable, but it is pretty noticeable. And these look nice as well. Now that it's after and everything is done and fully installed. Hope you guys enjoyed our little part 1. We do have part 2 over here, but we're not gonna show you guys. Sorry for your loss. Not till the next video.
Yep.
All right, wrap us up, Ben. What'd we do?
Well, we installed the windscreen and we installed the Evo Tech Performance front axle sliders.
Shout out Evo Tech.
Shout out Evo Tech. Shout out this company and this windscreen, which will not be named. I already said it again. If you guys can figure it out, comment in the comment section below. And
like I said, Ben would cash app you $5.
yeah, and then another fun fact, cool fact, fun fact, whatever about all this is that you really don't need a lot of tools to do these installs that we do. I mean, it's pretty simple. Like the 4 bolts for the windscreen is just a T20, whether it's on a gun or it's on, you know, your key set. And then in order to put the front axle sliders on, it's just a 13mm and a ratchet, but you will need a 13mm on both sides and 2 ratchets because you gotta ratchet it down. So that's all it took to install those 2 parts. And like we said, it took us 2 hours because of how we record it. So we hope you give this video a thumbs up, you like it, you comment, you subscribe, and you share it so that we can become famous.
Yeah, man, because Ben's tired of YouTube already. I can tell. I can see it in his eyes, man. he's tired. Look at him. Yep, he's tired. That's the reason why we haven't shot a video in 3 weeks.
No.
Yep.
Listen, I'm not tired.
He lost it. He lost it. He's lost motivation.
Listen, I'm not tired. I haven't lost motivation. I've just been putting all my time, effort, and energy into the 335i.
Girlfriend.
No, into the 335i, which content will be coming out for that very shortly as soon as my mechanic wants to cooperate with me. So once we are on the... Once we're on the same page, me and my mechanic, we're gonna assemble the motor. We'll get all the content for that, turbo kit, whatnot, putting it in the video, getting the car tuned, and a lot of money later. It'll be all said and done. So,
comment down below what you guys want to see us do next. Aside from melting out here in this heat,
which doesn't make sense because it just rained.
Yeah,
it just rained.
Yeah, it did. Like I said before, we have a lot of car reviews that we're gonna line up, and we're gonna definitely start outputting more. I kind of want to switch, not really switch, but add more of like a vlogging style type of videos to the channel, just so you guys can see what we do on a daily basis. Ooh, which is nothing, right?
COVID.
Because of
Yeah,
COVID. Thank you for giving me an excuse.
Yep.
Because of COVID, that's why.
Yep. And I left the bike dirty too, so y'all can know that I ride. Barely. But I ride. I've had the bike almost, what, a year now? And I don't even have 5,000 miles on it, so. Y'all can't say nothing to me.
Whatever he said. Also, we do a lot of gaming. We're thinking about setting up a Twitch account, but I don't know.
Who cares?
I don't know. We just might. We just might. I mean, but you guys gotta let us know what you like, what you want to see. Might happen, might not. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.